What is going on, guys? Marcus here with the Reformation Woodshop, and you know it is my privilege and honor to always tell you when I find the best, most innovative tools on the planet, and I think that I've done it again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this 360-degree fully articulating IQ Vise. WorkIQ Tools was gracious enough to send me all of this stuff out. So after you're finished watching this video, go over to all their socials, check out the products that they have on their pages, and see if they have something that'll fit your shop. Before I get into all of the accessories, I'm going to mount this vise on my workbench and just fidget with it and check it out and see how it actually functions. What makes this vise so special is that it's a multi-axis articulating base with a locking quick cam, which is just a bunch of fancy words to say you can move it and lock it into wherever it is that you want. Your ball joint does have a little cavity inside of it, so you can use this lock pin to lock it in place. But the best part about this vise is that it has this quick cam ball and socket lever. That way you can be in like a 76-degree angle or whatever you need. One of the first things I did to really test out this vise was just drop an old piece of rough cut mesquite into it and take my draw knife and start shaving slices off. It made me really realize how unstable my table is, but the jaw held on perfectly to the mesquite, and I made a bunch of thick, nice curls. And like I said, with that locking pin, you can change it a full 360 degrees. So if you need to switch to the other side of the table, you can do that. They have tons of jaws made specifically for this vise, and they pop on and off extremely easy with these 4 locking pins.
Alright, so after getting all of the jaws out of their packaging, I'll just tell you exactly what they're made for. These are the reversible pipe pit sleeves. They've got nice little bite down teeth on this side, and then a cushioned pad on this side that are perfect for holding pipes, PVC, copper, stuff like that. These are the reversible leather sleeves. They're made for fine wood projects or something that's more delicate. What's really good about this leather set of jaws is that it doesn't mar the surface of your piece, so you can squeeze down extremely tight if you need to, and it won't imprint on your material at all, and it'll still hold it extremely firm. These are the Sure Fit jaws. They have a little bit of a cushioned pad, but it kind of form fits whatever it is you're clamping in there. That way, if it's an odd type shape, you can still get a nice bite on it with the vise. And these are your all-around woodworking vise jaws. They have that Sure Fit pad on this side that'll grab any shape, and then the nice grippy side that'll grab anything that you need.
When it comes to accessories, they have several to choose from. They have this cool little cell phone holder, a 5-inch magnifying glass, and a 180 lumen work light that all can connect directly to your vise.
I just got done doing a really cool dollhouse for my daughter, and this magnifying glass would have been really useful.
And because all of these accessories are so bendy, they can stay out of the way of whatever work it is you're doing with the vise.
This light is amazing. It's got 2 settings. There's low, high, and then a 3rd setting for a direct beam of light. And this guy comes out. It's fully rechargeable with a USB, and apparently it's magnetized. That is awesome.
WorkIQ sells this cool IQ Connect clamp mount for 30 bucks, and you can clamp it anywhere in your shop, and all of your accessories can pop right into that as well. They also have a 3-pack of these bench mounts that you can take and screw anywhere all over your shop.
This is a magnetic mount for your accessories so that you can put them anywhere you need. Well, I think I'm in trouble. Oh my gosh, that thing is strong.
The real selling factor here for this vise is the cam on the bottom. That makes it so that you can move this anywhere you could possibly need, because all of us are doing different woodworking things. Some people are doing miniatures, some people are doing carving, some people are just needing to square up a board. And this guy makes it so that you can do that any way you need. For this IQ Vise by itself, it's $279. For the miscellaneous jaws, you're going to pay anywhere from $24.99 all the way up to $44.99. For the set of their 3 accessories, you're going to pay $109, and their mounts for those accessories range from $20 to $30. I got a chance to see these guys in my local Ace Hardware, but you can also buy them online if that's what you're into. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I know the price tag can be kind of steep, so is this something that you'd spend your money on in your workshop? Let me know what you think, and as always, feel free to like and subscribe if this content helped you out in any way.